Okay, today we are going to learn about degrees of adjective of quality. Before learning this, at first, you should have to know that what is adjective. Yeah, adjective is a describing word. It describes a noun or a pronoun in a sentence. For examples, she is a beautiful girl. Ranu is an intelligent girl. Yes. In first example, we can find here, she is the pronoun here and beautiful. Yeah. It describes about she. What kind of girl is she? She is a beautiful girl. Yeah. And in second example, we can find here, Ranu is an intelligent girl. Yeah. Ranu is the naming word here. It is noun. Yeah. And what kind of girl is Ranu? She is an intelligent girl. Yeah. Just now I have already told you that adjective is a describing word and it describes a noun or a pronoun in a sentence. Okay. Now, next point, you should have to underline, you should have to uh, remember this much for today. Kinds of adjective. Okay. You should have to remember this one. What are the, how many kinds of adjective are there? You should have to understand it. Yeah. Number one, adjective of quality, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, distributive adjective, adjective of quantity, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective, emphasizing adjective. These are the kinds of adjective. In next class, we will learn detailedly about these kinds of adjective, yeah, with definition and the examples. Okay. Now today, just you should have to remember about this one, adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Yes. And don't be confused that how many kinds of adjective are there and how many kinds of degrees are there. Don't be confused. If the question will be kinds of adjective, then you should have to find out 8 kinds of adjective, and degrees mean just 3 degrees. You have to remember it, about 3 degrees. Okay. Don't be confused that kinds of adjective and degrees of the adjective. Don't be confused that one. Yeah. If the question is how many kinds of adjective are there, then you should have to say 8 kinds of adjective. What are they? Adjective of quality, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, distributive adjective, adjective of quantity, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective, and the last one is emphasizing adjective. Yeah, these are the kinds of adjective. And don't be confused about kinds of adjective and the degrees of the adjective. Kinds of adjective, that means 8 kinds of adjectives, and we will learn detailedly about these kinds of adjective with definitions and the example in our next class. And today we have to learn about adjective of quality only. Okay. And it has 3 degrees. Yeah. Don't be confused that it has 3 degrees. That first one is the positive degree, second one is the comparative degree, and the last one is the superlative degree. Yeah. Adjective of quality is expressed in any of the 3 degrees. They are positive, comparative, and superlative. Yeah. And you have to remember that positive degree means there is no comparison with anyone. You have to remember this point. Positive degree, no comparison. Just it is written a simply way. Yeah. For example, if I say Sri is an intelligent boy. Yeah, if I say the example, Sri is an intelligent boy. Yeah, there is no comparison between anyone. Is it? Just simply sentences is this: Sri is an intelligent boy. If I give the comparison between just like this is just example, okay? Don't take it in a negative way. If I say Ankit is Ankit is intelligent, more intelligent than Sri. Okay. First one is Sri is an intelligent boy. Yeah. Next one is Ankit is more intelligent than Sri. Yeah. This is comparison between two boys. One is Ankit, another one is Sri. Is it? Comparison between two. And don't be confused that in comparative degree, yes, we compare with two and we will use than, TSAN, than in this comparative degree. Yes, and next one is superlative degree. In superlative degree, we use the. Yes, look here. In the examples, Pinky is a tall girl. This is a positive degree. Here is a comparison with animal. Second one is she is taller than Rima and Deepika. This is a comparative degree because it compares between two girls. They are Rima and Deepika. Is it? And here is using than also. Yeah. And the last one is she is the tallest in our group. This is the superlative degree. Look here, the is used here and tallest, that is a superlative degree, and it is comparison between more than two. Is it? Among all. Yeah. Superlative mean it is a comparison among all. Yeah. If I say Sri is the tallest boy of grade 6. If I say like this, Sri is the tallest boy of grade 6. That means we are comparing that one among all the boys. Yeah. If I say like this only, Sri is a tall boy. That means there is no comparison. Yeah. If I say Sheila is more beautiful than Smriti, only example, okay, all you are very good, beautiful, or you are intelligent, yes, all are intelligent, all are beautiful, all are good, is it? But this is for example only, you have to understand it. If I say Mizala is a beautiful girl, is it? There is no comparison among the girl, only in a simple way. We have used here, Mizala is a beautiful girl. Yes, beautiful is an adjective here. And if I say Mizala is more beautiful than Rebecca, yes, there is comparison between two girls, Mizala and the Rebecca. And if I say Mizala is the most beautiful girl among class 6. That means, look here, it is comparison between among the whole class. Yes or no? Not comparison between only two, among whole class. Yeah, it is in the superlative degree. Don't be confused. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. There are 3 kinds of degree. Okay, and I had already told you that positive degree means it indicates no comparison. It doesn't indicate any comparison. Yeah. For example, tall, busy, nice, fat, bright, far, wise, good, beautiful, intelligent, handsome. Yeah. And in complete sentence, we can say Ramesh is a tall boy. There is no comparison. Simply it is written. Yeah. It is the positive degree. And next one is comparative degree. Yeah. It indicates comparison between just two, not more than two. For example, taller, busier, nicer, fatter, brighter, farther, wiser, better, more beautiful, more intelligent, more handsome. Yeah, in complete sentence, we can write Ramesh is taller than Ritesh. Okay, taller is the comparative degree, yes, and we have to use here than because it is comparison between two persons here. First one is Ramesh and the next one is Ritesh. Yeah, and the last one is superlative degree, indicates comparison with more than two. Yeah, among whole. Yes, it is comparison between more than two. For example, we can take here tallest, busiest, nicest, fattest, brightest, farthest, wisest, best, most beautiful, most intelligent, most handsome. Yeah, these are the examples of the superlative degree. In complete sentence, we can take that Ramesh is the tallest in our group. Yeah, Ramesh is the tallest in our group. These are the examples of the superlative, comparative, and the positive.